Hi! In this video I will be explaining how to install and use the most recent version of Spleeter on Windows. The installation process has changed many times and is very confusing. However, if you follow the steps in this video, you should have Spleeter up and running in no time. All of the instructions, including download links and commands, are on my website, which is linked in the description below. Please refer to the website as we go through each step. Step 1. You will need to install a Python version between 3.6.1 and 3.8. I recommend installing version 3.8. Click the link on my website to download Python 3.8 for Windows. Once it is downloaded, start the installer and make sure you click Add Python 3.8 to Path. Continue the installation process till it is complete. Step 2. In the Windows Start menu, search for Command Prompt and open it. Step 3. Type the following command into Command Prompt or copy it from my website and paste it into Command Prompt. This will now install Spleeter. It may take a while to complete. Step 4. Now we need to confirm Spleeter is installed. Type the command below or copy and paste it from my website into Command Prompt. It should return the help information for Spleeter as seen here. Step 5. You are almost ready to process a song. Find a song you want to process in Windows Explorer and then go back one level to the folder that the song belongs in. In Command Prompt, type CD followed by the spacebar. Then drag the folder that contains your song into the command prompt. The command prompt should now look something like this. Press the Enter key within the command prompt and it will now be pointing to the correct folder. Step 6. Now it is time to process your song. Copy the command from my website and place it into a text editor like Notepad. Change the my_song.mp3 section to whatever your song is named. You can also change the 2 stems part to 4 stems or 5 stems. Once you have configured the command, copy and paste it into the command prompt window and press Enter. Spleeter will now process your song, which may take a while. When Spleeter is finished, you will notice a new folder named Output has been created in the same folder where your song is. In this folder, you will find the stems created by Spleeter. If you made it this far, congratulations! If not, I've created a website that does the same for you. You just need to upload the song, select the stems and output format, and the website will do the rest. Thank you for watching. I hope this has helped you. Please subscribe to support my channel and give this video a like. Happy spleeting!